welcome back to Life with Jess. This is Jess. I am here with an unboxing of the Oral-B, and let's get into the unboxing so you can see it. And that's the side. And the back. And the other side. And let's get into the unboxing. I'll be right back when I get everything out. This is how it looks when it comes out of the packaging. The charging dock was inside of that box. Let's put that off to the side. Here's the charging dock for it. The toothbrush head. The actual toothbrush. And manual. Let's see. Everything's stuff right here. Give you up close and personal with it. It's nothing special, just instructions. And you get one of these, register your brush, and you get 15 instant savings. And I'll be right back once I get it all put together. I don't know if my blue ring right there fell off, but I had to put it on. And then you just stick it right on top. And that is the toothbrush unboxing. And I apologize for my nails. I know they're looking busted and I gotta get them done. I just want to say thank you for watching. Can you please like, comment, share, and subscribe? I will greatly appreciate it. And till next time, bye.